upholstering a seat cushion. Today we're going to cover foam chair pads with outdoor fabric. First, we're going to measure the square's dimensions on the wrong side of the fabric because these pads are not perfectly square. Taking the side measurement, the height of the foam, which is 1 inch per pad, and 1/4 inch for seam allowance, doubling it because this will need to wrap around the seat. Marking the dimensions around the selvage with chalk for accuracy. Next is the other side that will not wrap around. Take the side measurement and add 1.5 inches on each side and 1/4 inch on each side for seam allowance. Mark the 1.75 total side measurement with chalk on each side. Taking the ruler to connect the lines, also using the natural lines of this fabric to keep the ruler centered. Looking good. And it's time to cut this out, cutting on the outside line. I'm using this fabric's pattern as a guide for cutting the end. It looks great. Now let's take off the selvage. Time to pin the zipper to the right side of the fabric. Make French seams on the side to avoid fraying. So pin the cushion side, wrong sides together. Your fabric covered piping can be placed and sewn on top. Fold the fabric inside out and sew along the edge against the piping. Depending on what machine you have, you might have some specialty feet to help you out. All done and ready for the great outdoors.